Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Salsa and Pachanga Lessons. If you finish the Clave lesson only and the previous lessons, but Clave is very important, you should do this pop quiz. We did a very extensive course how to dance on one or on two using the sound of the Clave, not imitating it like we're going to do in this video and play around. So if you watch that one, if not, check in the description so you can find all the links starting from the first lesson of the Conga, finding your own one or on two. It's been over 2.5 months, closing to 3 months finishing these videos and years in the making in my head. I'm so happy to do these lessons and being able to make them as accessible and clear from a beginner to advanced to even a teacher level, so they can understand a little bit more in depth about music with simple terms. So I hope these videos are useful. Please put a like or a subscribe, and if you like to support me, check the links in the description where you can purchase many beautiful things like all the audios, or you can download all different lessons, musicality, instructional seminars, and much more. So in this pop quiz, what if we listen to the Clave that we've learned, the Guiro and the piano that we learned, so we have 3. When we put 3 together, this is the first time in the lessons we did that we're not putting just 2 instruments, we're actually putting 3. And then the next one lesson, by the way, the next pop quiz will be so interesting. The bass will be the Clave, and one of the other 4 instruments will be coming in by itself, out, and then the next one. Don't go there just yet, stick around for this one. I want you to check when I'm dancing and let me know in the comments, of course I'll show you later, which one of the 3 instruments am I imitating with my body or following my one or on two. And once you are able to distinguish while 3 instruments are playing, each one, and help yourself to be able to find your timing, you're a winner. So let's go. Did you see or hear which instrument was I listening to? Even if it sounded like a big mess of many beats and rhythms put together, I could clearly hear the Clave, the piano, and the Guiro, or any instrument when they're put together, because I studied each individual instrument from the get-go. So give yourself a check now. Did you figure it out? I really hope you figure it out, because if you did, you most probably followed all the rest of the lessons before you got here, and you learn how to dance on one or on two on all 5 main instruments. And guys, the next pop quiz is probably the most important one. You're gonna hear as the bass of the music, just the Clave going on, and then out of the 4 instruments, randomly, one will pop in and the other one will pop out. So that is a very good test. Go check out that next pop quiz. It's my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Keep on dancing and keep your timing.